Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So finally, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which is expected to go official along with its stock siblings in about 2 months, would have been shown in the hands of an unidentified person. There are no longer computer-generated renderings, the famous renders, or test units intended to help case manufacturers develop accessories more easily. These are almost certainly real photographs, although, like everything else that does not come directly from the company, they should still be taken with a bit of skepticism. No one can say for sure that the images are not manipulated in some way, or that we are not looking at a very convincing clone of the Galaxy S24 Ultra made by a completely different company. But assuming there is no trick, we have to admit that the leak looks good, although very similar to the previous ones. As leakers have been saying in recent weeks, it seems that the few curves of the Galaxy S23 Ultra have disappeared, giving way to completely flat screen just like the rear panel. Other than that, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is virtually identical to its predecessor, with the same arrangement of the rear cameras and LED flash, with a centered punch hole on the front for the selfie camera, and little else to highlight in the performance section, buttons and ports. And what else do we know about the Galaxy S24 Ultra? Saying everything would be an exaggerated answer, but almost. Just taking into account the similarities between the Galaxy S24 Ultra and its predecessor, ranging from a 5000 mAh battery to a 200 megapixel main rear camera sensor. With a 6.8 inches screen, we already have some good data. Then there are the subtle but important improvements, such as the possible jump from 750 nits of max brightness to a rumored 2500 nits max brightness, the 200 megapixel sensor being completely new, or the storage options, which could range from the 128 GB to 2 TB. It is likely that the photographic section will have more changes, with the periscopic telephoto lens going up from 10 megapixel to 50 megapixel, but lowering the optical zoom from 10x to 5x. It remains to be seen exactly how Samsung will try to justify that latest, potentially divisive change, and whether it means the Galaxy S24 Ultra could launch at a slightly lower price than the Galaxy S23 Ultra model. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.